too dirty.
Unrinsed at all, you know. So we got some good stuff going on today, Chris. Today, Chris, we're going to be talking about the importance of pre and post rinsing. Both are key to cleaning panels well. Anybody can clean panels, but can they clean panels well?
This is science, Mike.
Solar panel clean friends, man.
I mean, you can clearly see a pre-rinse does have.
It does, because if you look at these, I mean, obviously, you get into the side, you can see all that dirt. It's crazy.
Now, to the eye, to the regular eye, those look clean.
Right, they may seem clean because they got water on them, but they're not.
Yeah,
They're not.
They're not clean at all, actually.
Okay.
You gotta enjoy what you do.
Hey, so do you always use the water-fed pole, or is it, or is it true you use other things to clean solar panels?
I've used an earthquake technique before, but it's not something we can discuss here.
Rattling, right?
Yeah. Or walking the dog.
Pretty much. It's that third leg?
I've heard.
Well,
You know, just gonna get the excess off of these panels down here.
There's also some microfracture cracks.
So what causes those?
Time, I mean, when they were installed, possibly could have been, somebody could have nailed them. There's a lot of different things that could take place with those microfracture cracks.
Yes. Well, I'm gonna have to get while you're right there, sir.
Which, a lot of that stuff you won't see until you do that pre-rinse. That's why it's so important to do that pre-rinse, so you can look at the solar panels and do a better visual.
T-Raw. All day. Show me that. You know how it was?
If you guys like the videos that you're watching, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and tap on that bell so that you get a notification every time we drop a new video or go live, which is quite frequently. But for me and Mike, what?
It's a wrap.
You weren't ready for that.
Can't even hold it together.
The stance is so strong, though.
Well, the foundation is a strong stance.
Strong stance.